Hello friends, welcome to Stay Update presented by JK Rakhan. In this video friends, we are going to discuss about the Pradhan Mantri Special Scholarship Scheme for Jammu Kashmir undergraduate students batch 2020 to 2021. So friends, today is 13th of November 2020 and the choice filling link has been activated recently for second round of the counseling, and this link will be activated till 17th of November 2020. So the students did not allocated any college in the first round of the counseling, and the students who has option for the float, all the students can participate in the second round of the counseling. So in this video we will discuss how to fill the choices for the second round of the counseling and what are the factors you need to keep in your mind while filling the choices, and how much choices you need to fill, maximum choices, minimum choices. All the doubts we will discuss in this video. So friends, in order to fill the choices, firstly you need to sign in on the AICTE portal that is available on this display. So firstly you need to enter your email and the password. Then after you need to enter your CAPTCHA. Then after friends, you need to click on the sign in. After clicking on this option sign in, you will be able to see your complete information on the portal. So as you can easily check on the system, we have opened the portal of one student. The college has not been allocated to this particular student, so the link has been activated. As you can easily see on the display, the choice filling is open for the second round on today and will remain active till 17th of November 2020 till 6 p.m. So you need to press in between the option, that is the in between entrance examination and print application form, that is proceed for choice filling. After clicking this option, you will be able to select the choices. So you need to keep the things in your mind that we have already discussed in the previous video. So we will discuss about the parameters you need to keep in your mind. The bold parameters means to say that the minimum colleges you need to fill, the maximum colleges you need to fill. So friends, in order to fill the choices for the colleges, you need to come on this page. Then after you need to select all these options. These are the filters. Okay, we have already discussed each and every filter in the previous video. We will provide the link of that particular video in this video's description box. You can go to that video. In Hindi, we have already discussed each and every filter, how to use this filter and what is the significance of choosing this particular filter. Then after you need to directly select the colleges from here. In order to select the colleges, you need to press on this option that is available at the left side of your display. So the add colleges, whenever you press here is the plus, then after the college is automatically selected in your list. So in this way you can select the colleges. The minimum colleges you need to select, it depends on your rank in the final merit list, and the maximum colleges you need to fill is maximum to 90 to 100 colleges you need to fill based on your requirement and in which state you want to go for your further studies. So these are the things you need to keep in your mind whenever you will select the colleges. And the line that is flashing here mentioned that is the 27 October is the last date in order to lock all the choices. So this is the previous date, so ignore this that is flashing on this window. So friends, just go to the previous video. We have already discussed each and every point, each and every, we can say that the filter that is available here, what is the significance of this filter, so that each and everything will be clear, so that you can select all the choices that is based on your requirement. So and friends, all the choices that you will select, you can see all the choices in this option, that is the choice. So we have selected only one college. Just click on this option, then after you will be able to see all the choices that you will select, and there is a priority that is 1 2 3 4. This plays a very important role in order to the allocation of the colleges. So make sure that you have give the priority to the colleges that are more important for you if the college will allocate to you. So friends, in this way you can select your choices, and if there is any problem will come during the choice filling, you can post your query in the comment section. We will definitely send the complete resolution of your particular problem that you will face. And the doubts apart from this related to the scholarship, that is the how much academic fees will come, how much maintenance charges will come, these all the doubts we have already discussed in the previous video. I will mention the link of that particular video in this video's description box. And one most important doubt that a lot of the candidates were asking in the comment section, that if the scholarship means to say that if the academics fees is exceeding the scholarship that will be provided under this scheme, that is exceeding more than 1.5 lakhs, then what you need to do. So friends, I would like to inform to you, whatever the academics fees of the particular college that has been allocated to you or that will be allocated to you, so only the 1.25 lakh academics fees will be provided under this scheme, and there is no need to pay anything or any extra from the student side. AICTE and the college will adjust under 1.25 lakh for the academics fees, so don't worry about that. And for the hostel fees or the maintenance charges, only 1 lakh rupees will be given to the candidate, and candidate need to adjust under the 1 lakh rupees for a 1 year. That is a per annum you will get only 1 lakh rupees, and that is more than sufficient charges in order to stay in the hotel and in order to meet all the expenses related to your books. So friends, this is the information we would like to inform to you, that the second round choice filling link has been activated and remain active till 17th of November 2020 till 6 p.m. Please complete fill your choices for the second round and keep all the things in your mind that we have already discussed in the previous video while filling the choices for the second round of the counseling. Thank you friends.